In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Steam games not being detected. If your games suddenly show as uninstalled or missing, don't worry, this is usually a library path, cache, or visibility issue, and you can fix it without re-downloading everything. We'll walk through 3 quick checks inside Steam to get your library back in order. Start by opening Steam and clicking the Steam menu in the top left, then go to Settings and select Storage. This page lists every Steam library Steam knows about. If you keep games on multiple drives, make sure each drive and library folder is added. Click Add Drive if a drive is missing, or Add Library Folder to point Steam to the exact folder where your games live. The default path on the main drive is typically C, Program Files x86 Steam Apps, but if you installed games elsewhere, browse to that location. As soon as you add the correct folder, Steam will scan it and detect the existing files automatically, no downloads required. If the drive is already listed but games still don't appear, click the 3 dots next to that drive and choose Repair Library. This triggers a rescan and can fix permission or indexing hiccups. Let it finish before moving on. Next, clear Steam's download cache. Still in Settings, go to Downloads and click Clear Download Cache. Confirm when prompted. Steam will restart and you'll sign back in. This only removes temporary files and corrupted cache entries that can block detection. It does not remove your installed games. After logging back in, check your library to see if your titles have reappeared. Finally, make sure your games aren't hidden by filters. In the Library tab, uncheck Show Only Games Ready to Play, and set the filter to all games so nothing is excluded. Then open the View menu at the top and select Hidden Games. If any affected titles are listed there, right-click the game, go to Manage, and choose Remove from Hidden. Return to your main library, and you should see the games again. That's all you need to get your Steam games recognized again. Thanks for watching.